Day 58 from 0 to WordPress Euro end of the year challenge. And today we're talking about the WooCommerce payment setup. Like I said yesterday, we'll be taking the payments options one by one. So today we're talking about the card payments and also the Google Pay and some other payment setup that falls under this category. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to install. Once you are done installing, you can enable it. Alright, so once if you enable it, you can easily edit the options, the payment method that are available. If you don't want Google Pay, you can remove it. If you don't want Apple Pay, you can remove it. I don't want this Google Pay, you can remove it. Alright, so there are still 6 more. Alright, so depending on the country where you are selling the product. So for example, you are selling the product in Nigeria. Most of these stores don't work in Nigeria. Cash App don't work in Nigeria. Alright, most of it don't work in Nigeria. So the main thing you should focus on is just the credit and debit card. Alright, so once you are done, you click on continue, and then you can connect it to WordPress. I won't be able to connect it to WordPress because of I'm using a free hosting plan. But once you connect it to WordPress, let me see if I can connect it with this. Let's give it a minute to load up. I'm not sure if I can connect it because I'm using a local hosting plan. So let's see if it's gonna work. So to work on to connect it to the WordPress, I'll need to put in my WordPress email. Alright, so if I was working on a real WordPress what's it called, website, I'll have the email for the website and I'll be able to connect it and continue with the process. But from here on, it is very simple. You just need to follow the process and you're good to go. Alright, so basically this is how to connect the debit and credit card payment section to your WordPress. So you'll be requested to have some details from your bank, some secure details which you'll be able to collect from your bank, or probably maybe you have it already. You'll be able to add it, and then once you've completed the setup, you'll be able to get payment into your account. All right, so the most important thing you need to put in mind is that the process is very simple. All right, all you just have to do is just follow the process, follow the setup. All right, don't deviate from anything, just follow the setup. Once you hack something, if you don't know it, hacks your bank or hacks whoever is an expert on it, and then they'll be able to show you how to go about it. So basically this is how to add the debit and credit card payments option to WordPress and WooCommerce. So thank you. This will be the end of the video. If you have any topic you would like me to talk about, please drop in the comment section, and if you find the video interesting, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Thank you and God bless.